Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching interfaces. Check whether the Dlp Projector accepts HDMI, VGA, or wireless screen mirror. Plug in a Lightning to HDMI adapter for modern iPhones. Use Lightning to VGA only if projector lacks HDMI. Once done, connect the adapter to your iPhone and attach the HDMI cable to the projector input. Make sure both devices are powered and the projector is set to the correct input. This prevents handshakes failing later and saves time when you proceed to configuration. With cables connected, switch the projector to the matching input. You should see your iPhone screen within seconds. If using a wired adapter, unlock the phone and accept any trust prompts. If wireless, open Control Center, choose screen mirroring and pick the projector or dongle. Then tweak projector focus, keystone, and zoom so the image fills the screen. Lower resolution or 4:3 may be needed for older projectors to avoid cropping. This ensures clear, stable playback and correct aspect ratio. Now verify everything by playing a short video and swiping through photos. Confirm audio routes and image orientation. If you see no image, reseat the adapter and HDMI cable, restart the iPhone and projector, and switch HDMI ports or use another adapter. Many failures are simple handshake faults. If audio is missing, check projector input settings and either use the projector speaker, connect a 3.5 mm speaker, or pair Bluetooth audio. This single troubleshooting tip, reboot and reseat, fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.